I dug my toes into the dirt and felt a tickle at my heel. A pretty nymph had crept up there and made me jump and squeal. "What do you want from me?" I asked the young cicada. "I need to climb up on that tree, to feel the sun, to have some fun, to shed my skin and rest and sing. I need some time to think, to shake the days from all that sleep, and dust off my brand new wings." So I let her climb upon my finger, and placed her gently on the bark, that she may crawl up to the top, and some day soon enjoy the park.